Ladies and gentlemen, from the Mandalay Bay Resort and Casino of Las Vegas, Nevada, USA, Oscar De La Hoya's Golden Boy Promotions and Bob Arum's Top Rank Boxing are proud to present the main event of the evening, 12 rounds of boxing for the WBC International Super Featherweight Championship. Sponsored by Tecate Cerveza with an Attitude, Rockstar Energy Drink, party like a rock star, and Southwest Airlines, Southwest, the symbol of freedom. Sanctioned by the Nevada State Athletic Commission, Chairman Dr. Tony Alamo, Executive Director Keith Kaiser. At ringside, the three judges scoring this bout on the 10-point system: Jerry Roth, Tom Schreck, and Glenn Trowbridge. And inside the ring, your referee in charge of the action, Tony Weeks. And now from the Mandalay Bay of Las Vegas, for the thousands in attendance and the millions watching around the world, ladies and gentlemen, let's get ready to rumble! Fighting out of the blue corner, wearing red with silver, official weight 130 pounds. His professional career, 63 victories, including 42 knockouts against 5 defeats. Damas y caballeros de Ciudad de Mexico, the three-time champion of the world, the baby face assassin, Marco Antonio Barrera. And fighting out of the red corner, wearing red with flames, official weight 130 pounds. His professional record, 34 victories, including 34 knockouts, 3 defeats, 2 belts even. From General Santos City, the fighting pride of the Philippines, the defending WBC International Champion and 2-time World Champion, Manny
At yan, nakakasa na po ang ating main event, ang Will to Win. Meron lang isang mga notes, final notes, bago tayo mapasagupa dito. Yung rehydration o nung matapos ang timbangan, sa mga oras na to, si Manny Pacquiao ay tumitimbang na 144 pounds. At itong si Marco Antonio Barrera ay 138 pounds. Sino Trinidad, kasama si Benito Henson, kasama si Governor Manny Piñol, para sa ating main event, Manny Pacquiao, Marco Antonio Barrera.
Ito na po ang last-minute instructions galing kay Tony Weeks. He's a 51-year-old referee, and he's been a referee since 1996.
At saka parang fitting lang na ang fight supervisor dito ay ang champion swimmer natin na ngayon ay head ng Games and Division Sport na si Eric Buhain. We're all set. Huwag kayong kukurap.
Ang malaking tanong dito, Kinito, Chino, hindi ba naka-apekto kay Manny Pacquiao yung kanyang pagbabawas ng timbang kahapon?
Tapos yung pagbalik ng 14 pounds sa kanyang after rehydration.
Yan ang same weight. Pounds. Ganun din ang tinimbang niya, no?
Against Solis.
Against Solis. Now remember, in the first round, no kanilang first meeting, nabilangan si Manny Pacquiao ng mandatory 8 count.
Quickly ito si Marco Antonio Barrera working with at the stiff jab.
Makapal yung gitna ni Marco Antonio Barrera.
Manny Pacquiao now throwing that vaunted right that he has worked on. Trying to get the measure of Marco Antonio Barrera. Immediately ito po si Manny Pacquiao.
Marco Antonio going to the midsection of Manny Pacquiao. Ito ang sinasabi ko, Kinito. Maaring ang strategy nila Marco Antonio Barrera dito ay sila ang papasok.
Pero kumatawan agad si Manny Pacquiao with that right hook to the body. Sinusukat agad ni Manny Pacquiao. Kita nyo kinukuha yung range.
Ito yung sinasabi natin kanina, no? Ano kayang strategy ang gagamitin ni Barrera, no? Will he go inside? Will he go outside? Yun, nakatama si Barrera ng shot to the side of the body. Mukhang Barrera is standing his ground and he's looking to counter because pinapapasok niya si Manny Pacquiao.
Pero hindi tumatakbo si Barrera. Nandun lang sa harap ni Manny.
Oo. Hindi ka siya gumagalaw eh.
Babantayan natin yung kaliwa ni Barrera sa tagiliran ni Manny Pacquiao. Mukhang yun ang inoomang niya at mukhang yun ang target ni Barrera this early in the fight.
And it looks like Barrera is going to counter yung atake ni Manny dito, no? He's not initiating. Hinihintay niya si Manny Pacquiao na pumasok. Dapat mag-ingat si Manny. Yung kanan ni Barrera, nakaabang.
Pumasok yung kaliwa ni Manny. Kumonekta agad. But Barrera answers back. Tinutukuran ngayon si Manny Pacquiao. Manny with the left.
Sabi ni Barrera, this will be his last fight. And I think he prepared for this.
Manny anticipating that shot to the body ni Marco Antonio Barrera.
Given the punches being thrown by Barrera right now to the midsection, they hope to slow down Manny Pacquiao. No? Gusto nilang bumagal si Manny. In this fight, Manny connects.
Ayan na si Manny Pacquiao, pumapasok na. Dito po sa inside of 1 minute of the first round.
Yan ang vaunted 1-2 combination ni Manny Pacquiao. Sneaked in a punch.
And he hits Barrera in the face.
Barrera trying to counter. Hindi niya natamaan si Manny.
Ayun
si Manny.
Tumatay Manny Pacquiao.
What a nice combination galing kay Manny Pacquiao.
Namula na yung ilong ni Barrera.
And Manny again.
Bukol. Yung Marco Antonio Barrera sa bridge ng kanyang ilong.
Maagang patama ng pambansang kabaw dito po sa ating opening round.
Chino, Manny hindi tinitikitan ni Marco Antonio Barrera si Manny Pacquiao in this early going.
Sa exchange na yon, itong round na to, I think we'll have to go